Hello guys, and welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis video. And QNT continues to see higher prices, and here on the 4-hour chart I have a chart pattern that is information, which is a bullish pattern that normally breaks to the upper side. And on today's update video I will be discussing this pattern, giving you my next breakout target areas, and above all discuss Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first discussing this ascending triangle that is information over here, where you can see that the price of QNT has continued to hold above this ascending trend line to the upper side, and we have a horizontal line of resistance that QNT has been unable to break above, that lies above the 118.02 USDT mark. And as a result of that, we have now seen the formation of this ascending triangle, which is a pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by getting the height between that key area of resistance, that is the height of this triangle. So we can get that height and then place it on this apex over here, an area within which we can expect that breakout to play out. And on so doing, I get a minimum target area for the breakout above the 139.44 USDT mark. And for that breakout to play out, we first need to see a substantial break above our key area of resistance above the 118.02 USDT mark, flipping that key area back into support. We also need to break above the 120.1 USDT mark, where we made a very significant high on this bounce over here. And the moment that plays out, then it is most likely that we are going to see some impulsive price action over here to fully maximize our minimum target area above the 139 USDT mark. We also need to have in mind that from the lows we made on the 17th of May, I have been observing an ABC corrective structure to the upside, where you can see that I have been terming these initial bounce as the formation of that wave A. Then we saw a bit of a drop in the formation of this wave B. Then finally saw the formation of that wave C to the upper side, giving us a high above the 120.1 USDT mark. And having seen that ABC corrective move, I have been expecting a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A to the high of the wave C, I got a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 104.85 and the 96.13 USDT mark, which is the yellow target area here on the chart. And you can see that we got a pullback into that area, formed a double bottom that gave us a breakout to the upper side, though we didn't quite fully maximize the minimum target area. So in case we get another breakdown move to the lower side, and maybe at some point we also get a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line that I have here on the chart, then it is most likely that we are going to get one more new low within this yellow target area before we can attempt another bounce back to the upper side. But remember that in case we get a break out of this ascending triangle to the upper side, then that will be enough confirmation that the low is in within these lows that we made within this yellow target area over here, and a more bullish case scenario is now unfolding. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm watching out for here on the QNT chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.